In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new website on GoDaddy. If you're just getting started and want a simple way to build a website, GoDaddy makes the process very beginner-friendly. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic setup so you can get your new site started quickly and with confidence. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're on your main account dashboard before moving forward, since this is where you'll be able to access all of your account tools and website options. If you already have products or services with GoDaddy, they'll usually appear here as well. Once you're logged in, click on your profile. This is typically located near the top area of the screen, and it gives you access to your personal account menu. From there, look for the option labeled My Products and click on it. This section is where GoDaddy organizes everything connected to your account, including domains, hosting, and website tools. After you're inside My Products, find and click the option that says Set up a free website. This is the starting point for creating your new site. GoDaddy will then take you into its website builder, where you can begin choosing the type of website you want to create. At this stage, feel free to select the option that best fits your website. GoDaddy may show you different categories, styles, or setup choices depending on the kind of site you want, such as a business website, online store, personal brand, or something else. Choose the one that matches your goal most closely, since this can help shape the layout and features you'll see next. Next, enter your store name or website name. This is the name visitors may associate with your site, so try to choose something clear and easy to recognize. After that, you'll also be given the chance to enter a description. This is a short summary of what your website or store is about, and it helps give structure to your setup as you continue. From there, simply follow the prompts on your screen. GoDaddy will guide you through the remaining setup process step by step, and the platform is designed to make things straightforward. Take your time as you go through each screen, and make sure the information you enter reflects the purpose of your website. By following these steps, you'll have the foundation of your new GoDaddy website in place, and be ready to continue customizing it to fit your brand or business.